Ministry of Health is rolling out emergency response teams at the county level as part of the country's preparedness for the coronavirus. Health Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe says that all health workers at the county level are undergoing training. The setting up of the isolation facility at the Mbagathi Hospital is still underway, with level 5 hospitals countrywide being urged to step up efforts. The CS has held discussions with governors at the Council of Governors headquarters, while Mel Miendo was attending. Mel Miendo now is joining us live for more details. Mel, what else have you been able to gather from this particular meeting with regards to combating the coronavirus?
Zainab, that meeting has just ended. Health Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe, together with other members from his committee, that's the National Committee on Coronavirus. It's actually the response committee, if I must say. They've just finished speaking, and we were actually able to hear a bit of what they were saying just before they managed to speak to us here at the Council of Governors press briefing room. So one of the issues that they're talking about really is about county preparedness. They're taking it right to the county level, and that's why he has had that meeting with the Council of Governors, just trying to see exactly how they'll be able to communicate the level of preparedness, especially to the common mwananchi. One of the issues that the Health Cabinet Secretary has spoken very much about is taking it to the common mwananchi, as I've said, and in terms of even talking to vernacular radio stations or vernacular TV stations, and making sure that this communication is brought to them, especially with regards to their hygiene levels, and just making sure that they are taking the preventive measures with regards to the coronavirus outbreak. So Health Cabinet Secretary has spoken to us just a few minutes ago before that meeting ended, and they're saying that even as the governors are taking it to the county level, they're also taking it as a national issue. And remember, this is a response committee that was constituted by President Uhuru Kenyatta just a few days ago, and the Health Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe is the one chairing this specific committee, together with governors, principal secretaries from different ministries that all combine together to make that response committee. And so they're looking at ways of ensuring that health workers countrywide will get protective gear. They're talking about training that is actually going on in different areas of the country, and so they are actually making sure that these health workers are trained not on just how to use this protective gear, but also how they should help other people with regards to screening at the JKIA or even in different hospitals countrywide, especially the level 5 hospitals. They've also talked about supermarkets. They're asking supermarkets to make sure that they are looking at hygiene measures in the supermarkets. They're asking that they make sure that they put up hand sanitizers for people coming in and coming out of these supermarkets. And also, just to mention, Zainab, there's been a lot of talk about the coronavirus outbreak, especially on social media. And so Health CS Kagwe has talked specifically about that, and he has issued a warning to Kenyans, especially with regards to how we are treating foreigners. Let's just listen into what CS Kagwe had to say.
It is not acceptable to shout at people. It is not acceptable to scream at people and chase them away just because they are from the Asian continent and they look in a certain manner. I would like to emphasize two things. There are 1.5 billion Chinese people. Only about 70,000 or 80,000 are supposedly sick. Do the maths. There is 1.4 billion something people who are not sick. And the way and the distances involved are such that they should be doing the same to us because of the Ebola because there's Ebola in Goma. The distances are the same.
So CS Kagwe is really saying that it is a criminal offense if any person is found spreading false information about the coronavirus outbreak or about the level of preparedness that the country has as at this time. So it's something that, of course, we will be looking at as we continue. Even in our subsequent bulletins, we'll be giving you up-to-date information as to just how the country is getting itself prepared if and when this coronavirus may be coming into the country.